Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a review of Bona Hardwood Floor Cleaner and the polish. Pretty much focus on the hardwood floor polish. Just wanted to show that they do sell these in a complete set, from the cleaner to the polish. Here's the hardwood floor cleaner. Easy, quick cleaning, safe for wood floors, dry fast, doesn't leave residue behind. As you see, I have dark hardwood floors, and I use the cleaner first, and everything is pretty much clean. So I wanted to do a review of the high gloss formula hardwood floor polish. So as we look at the instructions for this, here it just says, make sure you vacuum, sweep, clean the floor. Basically meaning make sure there's no debris, because you don't want to polish over dirt, dust, and debris in the floor. After you let the cleaner dry, then you can go ahead and shake this bottle up, and then as so, shake it up, and then they want you to put it in a S motion on the floor. So we're going to test a small area just so you can see that this stuff works. So let's get an S motion first and start our review. Okay, as you can see, they wanted you to go in a S motion, so when you're waxing the floors, you can have a nice pattern in the way you do it. So I did do the S motion, as you can see, and we're going to start tackling this little small area so you can see the difference. The floors are clean, but it's going to give it that polish and shine. So let's start it. Okay, so I'm using the Bona microfiber cloth mop, which is what I also use to clean the floors first. But as they say, tackle a small motion first where you're doing the polish for the floors, and just to go ahead. So as you see, instant shine just in a little area right here. Big shine as you see the difference. We're gonna go right here. So it seems like it's definitely working. Like I said, I used it before, but I never used it on dark hardwood floors. And as you guys can see, I still have this whole area to do, but you could just see the difference right away from the non-polished floor to the side that is polished. And this microfiber cloth is clean because you don't want to brush any debris into the polish. All right, so just thus far, this is a pretty big floor. Won't waste you guys' time watching me do the whole thing. Be right back. All right, guys, I'm back, and the floor is now waxed, as you can see from when I started, and the nice shiny glaze on the floor from the wax. You can even see the reflection of my lamps and everything over there. So this is the review of the Bona Hardwood Floor Polish. You can pick this up at Walmart. You can pick it up at any of the hardware stores that sell wood floor polish cleaner, things of etc. I also put a link in the description. This runs you about maybe 18 bucks. You probably catch it on sale for $15.99. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe.